Hi there, my name is John Schneider with United Laboratories, and I want to introduce you to a fantastic product from United Labs, 303 Triumph. Instead of talking about it, let me just show you. Now let me ask you, do you have folks at your facility that can use one of these, a paintbrush? Do you have folks at your facility that can use one of these, a wire brush? Well, you're all the way home with this product because it's that simple, okay? Let me explain to you, or let me show you again, a great quick demo. What I have here is a propane tank, and we have an old rusted tin can, if you can see that. It's completely rusted. And we've put some holes in the bottom, and we've punctured the bottom of this rusty tin can. So they are sealed with our product 303 Triumph on the rusty can. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it up with some water, probably about, maybe a 1/4 inch of water that you can see. And of course, we've got the seal at the bottom where you can see. And what we're going to do is we're going to get this baby cooking. Woo! Now this may take a few minutes to get some crazy heat on there, but I'm going to bring that to a boil. While I bring that to a boil, I want to explain to you a little bit about what we have boiling. This is a product called 303 Triumph. Let me give you a few product features and benefits. It's a one-step rust converter and primer coat. It bonds with rust. It cures hard as cement. It has like a cementatious coating to it, okay? And it contains, or it converts rust into a phosphate instantly. No scraping, no sandblasting. So it actually takes the rust, converts it into a phosphate, and pure chemistry tells us that once rust becomes a phosphate, it can't possibly rust anymore. So it covers 530 to 1,000 square feet. It's less than 1% VOC. That's less than paint, folks. You can apply any kind of top coatings to it. It comes out kind of a red color, kind of a rusty red color when it's applied, but you can top coat it with any kind of paint or enamel. It's hydrogen sulfate resistant for those wastewater departments that are concerned about hydrogen sulfate issues. It expands and contracts with metal, lab test, 300 degrees for 90 days, so there's no cracking and peeling. It contains no oily solvents and can be diluted with water, up to 20% if you're going to spray it, or if you want to just hit rusted metal, you can paint it on. So essentially what this product does, again, is it turns that rust into a phosphate. You need the rust, that's the thing. You just want to get the loose flakes off the rust and then apply the product 303. So let's see what we got. We're almost to a boil. So once you take a look, Bill, you can see we're to a boil. I'm going to turn it off and use our tongs. And if you excuse me 1 second, I'm just going to go and empty this out. And then I'm going to come back. Now that was boiling there, and it's still just a little bit hot, okay? But get close now. Take a look at that. We've fried that on there, okay? And this isn't the first demo we've done with this. So now this is set up as a cementatious coating. It's pure phosphate. And when I say sets up, it sets up. And when I mean it puts on a coating, it puts on a coating. That baby is not going to come off there. So essentially you're taking the loose flakes off, you're putting it on, and you have something that's never ever going to rust again. So that is 303 Triumph. Thank you.